The signing and validation of the document to form both local and national committees to manage both Great and Little Scarcies rivers basins was described by participants as timely. The importance of the Great and Little Scarcies rivers to both Sierra Leone and Guinea cannot be underestimated, especially the opportunity they provide for the economic activities, among others. However, due to many human activities like massive cutting of mangroves and other vegetations along these rivers, experts have noted, have the tendencies to affect both countries negatively. The engagement of stakeholders on the ecosystem conservation and integrated water resources management project was to capacitate stakeholders with adequate knowledge on the two components, including forest landscape and transboundary water. Speaker after speaker reiterated the need to manage and protect the Great and Little Scarcies rivers due to emerging threats by climate change. Joseph Musa is the executive director of the National Protected Area.
We are ensuring that the source of these two rivers from the Guinea end into Sierra Leone, we ensure that it is being protected because we have our guards who are patrolling those areas to make sure that nobody degraded the source of those water. And when as long as the source is being protected, the communities who are staying along these rivers, and by forming these committees, they also will ensure that they protect the rivers.
For Mohamed Sajwana, Executive Director, National Water Resources Management Agency, sustainability is key.
This project had existed before the National Water Resources Management Agency, but with the National Resources Management Agency, we'll be creating basin board. And the Great and Little Scarcies are one of these basin boards. So there will be a management system who will be managing the basins at sub-catchment, catchment, and the basin levels. So there is, it's going to be sustainable with the NWRMA in charge.
Earlier, various stakeholders cited that the provision of adequate security in the border areas is very paramount, adding that due to massive commercial activities on both the Great and Little Scarcies rivers, extinction of some species is slowly becoming a reality. They pledged their commitment to the implementation of the project, but noted provision of identity cards is key for their effective delivery. The Ecosystem Conservation and Integrated Water Resources Management Project is a 4-year project that seeks to protect and manage the Great and Little Scarcies river basins and other endangered species, restore the ecosystem, among others. SLBC Joseph Toure reports.